Welcome to Sanctum with Eve. I'm Eve, and we're going to have a very short grounding and centering Gong meditation. Make yourself comfortable in whatever form that looks like for you, and enjoy the sounds. Gently bring yourself back to your body. Taking time to move in a way that feels right and good to you. As you come back fully to the present moment. Gongs are so powerful. You need no more than just a few minutes to really deeply sit with them. To release, renew, and restore all senses of your being. Thank you for joining me here at Sanctum with Eve for a mini meditation. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, happy movement and happy gonging. I send you lots of love and light.